Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Outdoor Barbecue, and this is the masculine card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Outdoor Barbecue, and we're going to be using this barbecue and Love is in the Air. Oh wait, that's barbecue. So I'm going to bring in my big shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White and the Stitch So Sweetly dies. I'm just going to run that through, and that's the biggest scallop. All right, get this out of the way. So just like that, I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and then I have the little barbecue pit mounted on clear block C. Excuse me. So I'm going to make sure that that is good and inked up. And I'm going to put it here towards the top and center, just like that. And that's all we're using the Memento ink for. Then we have the sentiment mounted on clear block C. And I have my Real Red Classic Stampin' Pad. So just like that. Now we can start putting this card together. Our card base is Real Red, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the REGALS Designer Series paper, and this is cut by 2 by 4. I'm just going to put it down on like the gingham side, and I want it over just a tad so you can still see some of the black. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my paper snips because it's a little bit too long. I'm going to put this on the outside of my card base. So just like that. And then we're going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. I thought this would make a really cute Father's Day card, so if you need this set, it is on the retiring list, so get it while you can. All right. And so just like that. And I also have another piece of Whisper White, and it measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to put this down on the inside. And then I have this small piece of gingham, and that is 4 by 1/2 inch, I believe. And I'm just going to put it down here at the bottom. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple manly card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!